Your Subaru's dashboard just lit up like a Christmas tree. Red lights, yellow lights, symbols you've never seen before. And you're sitting there thinking, what does that even mean? Can I keep driving? Should I pull over right now? I get it. Dashboard warning lights are confusing, especially when you've got no idea what half those symbols are supposed to represent. Some lights mean pull over immediately, or you're about to destroy your engine. Others mean, yeah, something's not quite right, but you've got time to figure it out. And a few are just friendly reminders that don't require any action at all. The problem? Your Subaru's owner's manual explains these lights like they were written by engineers for other engineers. Dense technical language, vague descriptions, no real-world context. That's not helpful when you're on the highway and a red light suddenly appears on your dash. Today, I'm breaking down every single dashboard warning light you'll see in your Subaru. I'll tell you what each one means, how serious it is, and exactly what you should do when it comes on. Whether you drive an Outback, Forester, WRX, Crosstrek, or any other Subaru, this guide covers you. By the end, you'll know which lights you can ignore for a bit and which ones mean stop the car right now. Let's jump in. Understanding the color system. Before we dive into specific lights, let's talk about the color coding system Subaru uses. Red lights mean danger. Something critical is happening right now. Pull over safely as soon as possible and address the issue. Don't ignore red lights. Yellow or amber lights mean caution. Something needs attention, but it's not immediately life-threatening to your car. You can usually drive to a mechanic, but don't put it off for weeks. Green or blue lights are informational. They're just telling you a system is active. No action needed. Keep this color system in mind as we go through each light. It'll help you prioritize what needs immediate attention versus what can wait. Red warning lights. Stop immediately. Let's start with the serious ones, the red lights that mean you need to act fast. Oil pressure. Warning light. This looks like an old-fashioned oil can with a drop coming out of it. If this light comes on while you're driving, you've got a major problem. It means your engine's oil pressure has dropped dangerously low. Low oil pressure means your engine isn't getting enough lubrication. Metal parts are grinding against each other. Keep driving, and you could seize your engine in minutes. What to do? Pull over immediately. Turn off the engine. Check your oil level with the dipstick. If it's low, add oil. If it's full, don't restart the engine. You likely have an oil pump failure or a major leak. Call a tow truck. Never ignore this light. A seized engine costs $5,000 to $8,000 to replace. Engine temperature. Warning light. This one looks like a thermometer sitting in wavy water. It means your engine is overheating. Your coolant temperature has exceeded safe limits. Overheating can warp your cylinder head, blow your head gasket, or crack your engine block. All catastrophic failures. What to do? Pull over immediately. Turn off the engine. Do not open the radiator cap while it's hot. You'll get sprayed with boiling coolant. Wait at least 30 minutes for the engine to cool down. Check your coolant level. If it's low, add coolant or water. If it's full, you've got a bigger problem. Failed thermostat, bad water pump, or clogged radiator. Call for a tow. Battery warning light. This looks like a car battery with a plus and minus sign. It means your charging system isn't working. Your alternator has stopped charging your battery. You can drive for a little while on battery power alone, maybe 20 to 30 minutes. But once the battery dies, your car will shut down completely. What to do? Turn off everything you don't absolutely need. AC, radio, heated seats, all of it. Drive directly to a mechanic or auto parts store. If the car dies, you'll need a jump start or a tow. Don't ignore this one. A dead alternator will leave you stranded. Brake system warning. Light. This looks like an exclamation point inside a circle, sometimes with the word brake underneath. This light can mean a few things, and not all of them are emergencies. If it comes on while you're driving, check your parking brake first. Sometimes people forget to fully release it. If the parking brake is off and the light is still on, you've got a brake system problem. Low brake fluid is the most common cause, but it could also mean a brake line leak, a failed master cylinder, or a serious issue with your ABS system. What to do? Pull over safely. Check your brake fluid reservoir under the hood. If it's low, top it off. But understand that brake fluid doesn't just disappear. If it's low, you've got a leak somewhere. Drive carefully to a mechanic and get it checked immediately. If your brakes feel spongy, soft, or unresponsive, do not drive the car. Call a tow truck. Power steering warning. Light. This looks like a steering wheel with an exclamation point next to it. It means your power steering system has failed. You'll still be able to steer, but it'll take a lot more effort, like driving a car from the 1960s. What to do? Pull over when safe. If you have hydraulic power steering, check the power steering fluid level. If it's low, you've got a leak. If you have electric power steering, there's not much you can check yourself. Either way, drive carefully to a mechanic. Steering will be hard, especially at low speeds, so be prepared. Yellow warning lights. Address. Soon. Yellow or amber lights aren't emergencies, but they do need attention. Let's go through the most common ones. Check engine light. This looks like an engine outline, sometimes with the word check inside. The check engine light is the most misunderstood light on your dash. It can mean anything from your gas cap is loose to your catalytic converter is failing. Here's the thing, the check engine light doesn't tell you what's wrong. It just tells you the computer detected a problem and stored a trouble code. What to do? Don't panic. If the light is solid, not flashing, it's usually not an emergency. You can drive to an auto parts store and have them scan the code for free. That'll tell you what's wrong. If the check engine light is flashing, that's more serious. A flashing check engine light means you've got a misfire that could damage your catalytic converter. Reduce speed, avoid heavy acceleration, and get to a mechanic ASAP. Tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS, light. This looks like an exclamation point inside a tire cross-section. It means one or more of your tires is significantly underinflated. Driving on underinflated tires is dangerous. It reduces traction, increases stopping distance, and can cause a blowout at highway speeds. What to do? Check all 4 tires with a tire pressure gauge. Inflate any low tires to the recommended PSI, which you'll find on a sticker inside your driver's door. If the light stays on after you've inflated the tires, you might have a slow leak or a faulty TPMS sensor. Don't ignore this one. Proper tire pressure is critical for safety and fuel economy. ABS warning light. This says ABS on your dashboard. It means your anti-lock braking system has detected a fault and has disabled itself. Your brakes will still work, but you won't have the benefit of ABS in an emergency stop. That means your wheels could lock up and you could skid. What to do? You can drive the car, but be extra cautious, especially in wet or slippery conditions. Get it diagnosed by a mechanic within a few days. Common causes include a faulty wheel speed sensor or low brake fluid, traction control/vehicle stability control light. This looks like a car with squiggly lines behind it, sometimes with the letters VDC or VSC. It means your traction control or stability control system has been disabled or has detected a fault. What to do? If you turned it off manually, just turn it back on. There's usually a button on your dash or console. If you didn't turn it off and the light is on, you've got a sensor issue. Common culprits include wheel speed sensors or steering angle sensors. Get it checked within a week. Driving without traction control is safe in good conditions, but risky in rain, snow, or ice. Low fuel warning light. This looks like a gas pump. Pretty self-explanatory. You're running low on fuel. What to do? Fill up soon. Don't make a habit of running your tank to empty. Your fuel pump sits in the tank and uses fuel to stay cool. Running it dry repeatedly can shorten the pump's life. Washer fluid warning light. This looks like a windshield with water spraying on it. It means your windshield washer fluid is low. What to do? Top off your washer fluid reservoir under the hood. That's it. Not urgent, but do it within a few days so you're not stuck with a dirty windshield. Blue and green lights. Just information. These lights are nothing to worry about. They're just telling you a system is active. High beam indicator. This looks like a headlight with lines pointing straight ahead. It means your high beams are on. Remember to turn them off when you see oncoming traffic. Low beam indicator. Similar to the high beam, but the lines point downward. Just tells you your headlights are on. Fog light indicator. This looks like a headlight with a wavy line through it. It means your fog lights are turned on. No action needed. Cruise control indicator. This says cruise or shows a speedometer icon. It means cruise control is active. To turn it off, tap the brakes or hit the cancel button. Eco mode indicator. This might say Eco or show a leaf icon. It means your car is in eco mode, optimizing for fuel efficiency. Nothing to worry about. Sport mode indicator. This might say Sport or show a sporty icon. It means you're in sport mode. The car will be more responsive but use more fuel. Subaru specific warning lights. Subarus have a few unique lights you won't find on other brands. Let's cover those. Eyesight warning, light. This looks like a camera or eye icon, sometimes with an exclamation point. It means your eyesight driver assistance system has been disabled or has detected a fault. Common causes: dirty windshield covering the cameras, extreme temperatures, or a sensor malfunction. What to do? Pull over and clean your windshield, especially the area behind the rear-view mirror where the eyesight cameras sit. If the light stays on, drive to a Subaru dealer for diagnostics. Eyesight is a safety feature. Get it fixed soon, but it's not an emergency. X mode indicator. This says X mode on models equipped with it. It means X mode is active. This is Subaru's off-road driving mode that optimizes traction and hill descent control. What to do? Nothing. It's just telling you the system is on. Turn it off when you're back on normal roads. Hill descent control indicator. This looks like a car going down a hill. It means hill descent control is active, helping you maintain a slow, controlled speed down steep hills. What to do? Nothing, just informational. What to do? When multiple lights come on. Sometimes you'll see multiple warning lights come on at once. This can be alarming, but it's often related to a single issue. For example, if your battery light comes on, you might also see your power steering light, ABS light, and check engine light. That's because your alternator isn't charging the battery, and all those systems rely on electrical power. Don't panic. Focus on the most critical light, usually the red one, and address that first. Often, fixing the primary issue will turn off the other lights. If you're ever unsure, pull over safely and call for help. It's better to be cautious than to damage your car. When to visit a mechanic versus handle it yourself. Some warning lights you can handle yourself. Others require a professional. You can probably handle low washer fluid, loose gas cap, check engine light, low tire pressure, low oil level. If you're comfortable adding oil, you should visit a mechanic for any flashing warning light. Check engine light that won't clear after basic fixes, ABS or brake system warnings, power steering failures, eyesight malfunctions, any light you don't understand. When in doubt, get it checked. A $100 diagnostic is cheaper than a $4,000 repair caused by ignoring a warning. The bottom line: dashboard warning lights are your car's way of talking to you. Pay attention to them. Red lights mean stop now. Yellow lights mean get it checked soon. Green and blue lights are just information. Don't ignore warning lights, especially red ones. They're there to protect you and your car from serious damage. And if you're ever unsure what a light means or what to do, this video is your reference. Come back to it anytime you need a refresher. Your Subaru is trying to help you. Listen to it, and it'll run strong for years. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to watch this next video as we're sharing insider tips to help you cut repair costs and keep your car running like new.